Spanish to Mindera for inventing taxes impossible to pay. I indict the usurer for starting me with debts impossible to pay. You accuse me of not supporting my family, free me from bondage, in a shop so beautiful. You accuse me of ignorance, but I'm ignorant because my master, the landlord, finds it profitable to keep me ignorant. Free me from bondage, in a shop so beautiful. You accuse me of ignorance, but I'm ignorant not because I have no will, but because I have no hope. Why should I labor when food is my labor just go to pay unpayable debt? Free me from bondage, and a shop so beautiful. Give me land, land to call my own, land and beholden to any tyrant, land that will be free. Give me land for I am starving. Give me land that my children may not die. Sell it to me. Sell it to me at a fair price. As one payment sells to another, and not as a usurer sells to a thief. Yes, I am poor, but I will pay for it. I will work, work until I call for readiness for my privilege, for my inalienable right to be free. But if you will not grant me this, if you will not grant me this last request, this ultimate demand, then build a wall around your home. Build it high, build it strong. Place a sentry on every parapet. For I, who have been silent for 300 years, will come to you in the night, where you are feasting, with my cry and bawl at your door, and may God have first